This is one of the best pasta dishes we've ever prepared, and you won't want to miss out on this experience. We start by cutting 350 grams of chicken fillet into strips. Transfer them to a bowl and add salt, black pepper, and cornstarch, all to taste. Mix well until all sides of the strips are coated. At this point, add a tablespoon of butter. Wait for it to melt and put the chicken strips to fry. Let them brown on all sides, turning as needed. Once they are golden brown, remove and set aside. We return to the cutting board and slice 200 grams of green cabbage. Half a red bell pepper into strips. Half a green bell pepper. And half a yellow bell pepper. Take a carrot and cut it into rounds. In a pan, add a drizzle of olive oil, a chopped onion, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Let it sauté briefly, then add the chopped vegetables. Add salt and black pepper to taste. Mix well and let it cook for another 3 minutes. Now, add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and mix again. Cook for an additional 5 minutes. Let's prepare the pasta. In a pot with boiling water, add a pinch of salt and 150 grams of spaghetti. Cook for 2 minutes. Dissolve a tablespoon of cornstarch in half a cup of water and add it to the vegetables. Mix, drain the water from the pasta and add it to the vegetables. Add the chicken strips and mix. Now, it's ready to serve. Don't waste time, try it at home, and share with us what you think. That's it for today. Leave a like if you enjoyed the recipe, and if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe. We post daily and varied recipes. See you later.